In today's video, I will teach you how to convert daytime photos into nighttime scenes using AI. Let's get started. Transforming a daytime photo into a night scene can completely change its mood and atmosphere. With AI, this process is easy, fast, and doesn't require advanced photo editing skills. So to do this, start by opening your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account. Free accounts can also access the image generation feature. In the prompt box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image. This switches ChatGPT to image mode, where you can edit or generate images using AI. Now click the plus icon again, and select the Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Now choose the daytime photo that you want to convert, then choose a clear high-resolution photo. Photos with visible light sources work well for adding light effects, and avoid overly cluttered image to make the AI conversion smoother. Now click the prompt box and instruct the AI what to do. And here are some example prompts. And make sure to be specific about details such as lighting, shadows, reflections, or sky colors to get the best results. Now press enter to let the AI generate your new nighttime image. Then wait a few seconds for the AI to work. Now click the generated image to zoom in and review it. And if you want tweaks, click the image and describe what you want to add, remove, or modify. And once you're satisfied with the result, hover over the image and click download to save it to your computer. You can also click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some tips for beginners. With this method, you can turn any daytime photo into a dramatic atmospheric night scene in minutes, all without complex editing software. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.